Good morning. My name is Dr. John from West Chase Wellness Chiropractic Center here. What we're going to do is demonstrate what chiropractic adjustment looked like in my office. All right, here we go. And this is Tim here. He's a former hockey sack player and actually pretty much brought hockey sack to the Houston area in the past. So we're going to adjust him now. Demonstration. Good. Come on here. This is right away here. It looks nice here. Pretty nice. Just find out. Be careful his knee here. Okay, it's a little tight on the right side. There. Awesome there. Good. When we adjust our sacrum and hip area, it helps with, for example, constipation, diarrhea, bloatness, lower back pain, pain numbness down the leg. When we adjust that area in the back, it does help people with better range of motion. Our goal is to, for people to have a better quality of life, better mobility, stop wear and tear for the future. Because we all need this type of service because it does help us on mobility, future damages and wear and tear in the joint. All want to be able to walk around when we get to our retirement age. Whatever the age is, we all want that. So travel the world, do different things, and adjustment can help you with that. Check that again. Got him to move pretty well and lower back. Just like that. Legs so much better like that. And take a deep breath in and hold your breath, hold your breath, hold your breath. Right out. Good. 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 On your side, Tim. Right, so he's been a good patient for a long time at my office. Tim is an awesome patient. He likes to get well. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. 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 Other side. Awesome. Perfect. Just like that. Good. Perfect. Yeah, just like that. straight out. Good. 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 Now your back face up. Awesome there. Continue improving that health with this. Awesome there. Awesome the hip, get the hip for low back right there. Good, it helps our low back. Awesome there. Move there. That's a good spot for you. Awesome there. And the new one we just started doing on you today, also. Now we're gonna make him a little taller. I think we're gonna use this wide strap on him to elongate the spine, get the pressure off the spine. It feels wonderful. We want to prevent facial wear and tear to the joint. Here we go. Oh, that was a good one.
I felt that one.
You felt that one, yes.
That's good.
Wonderful. That was a good one, I know. Just set the right tone. Good. This right here. Look like you lost some weight. Awesome, Tim.
Yeah.
Keep it up. It will allow you to see that improvement in your health because you are doing something to improve your health. Also part of your team to get you well at the same time. Now turn face the camera, sit up. Okay. Turn this way. We're not done yet. Turn this way. Turn your face this way. Turn this way. Do one more thing to your neck. I got this auto stem to tap his neck and kind of free up his neck a little bit. Thing I like to do. Oh, that was nice. The side here. Awesome. Right, Tim, face the camera and describe me how you've been since you've been coming in here.
Oh, I look forward every month to coming to this session. If I don't do it, then I know I'm not gonna feel as good and maintain as well as Dr. John gets me. So thank you.
Thank you.